Hey guys, it's Dan the Manky Band from Just Having Fun. Just making this video just to have you understand what's going on in my video. I went out surfing down at Second Beach in Rhode Island, in Newport, Rhode Island. There's a hurricane coming up the coast, and there were 5-foot waves going out there. So when I got there, I took one wave in and broke my board in half. So that ended my surf sesh. But I went back out there and rode a beater board for a while. So in the video, there's a few videos of the waves and the other surfers out there, and then some awesome pictures of all the surfers that went out. Alright, see you guys later. Peace.
Somewhere far away, and I'm someplace not really knowing what to hold on to. Just me in this empty, lonely, smoked out hotel room. Someday you will realize I can never be with you. I'll never be with you. I'm at Panera Bread listening to Pantera, grinding like Grand Taylor, rock shit, Van Halen. Man, I've been spitting bars way before Bieber was legal. People believe me when I tell them I'm from fucking Mars, but it must be in the stars that I'm fucking up these bars. Wife swapped, sober now, no longer fucking up these bars, but now my DM's fucking blowing up. I'm making money off myself just for fucking showing up, and I ain't showing off, just off playing shows. People fucking losing cause it makes you rap and rock and roll, and this is fully optional, but I ain't fucking popular. You wanna see my YouTube views, you're gonna need binoculars. With hip-hop, I'm an octopus guitar, I'm a fucking scrub, and I ain't in this shit for anything but fucking rock and roll, and I ain't fucking famous. This shit don't make me cool. You wanna skip the bullshit in life, just stay in school. Trust me with this fool to think they're fucking paying dues, but really they're just paying dudes on Facebook cash to get the fucking views. And we blew up organically, I'm the realest kid you'll ever meet. Clap up a total stranger, give me the shoes off my fucking feet, and I don't fuck with posers. I'm fucking over it, you know I'm being honest, cause I wrote them through my soberness, and if you're over it too, and feel how I